What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of Goodwill. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go! Alright, we got some video games here. Looks to be like a bunch of sports titles at $1 each. FIFA 18, FIFA 15, just all the sports titles are $1. I think I'll grab those for the replacement cases. So I'll save them. I don't think anybody else is gonna grab them while I'm here. But that is going to be a cool little thing to have. Nothing else down here looks too good, so it's time to walk around. Alright, looking over the media. Got a whole bunch of stuff here. We have some box sets. Yep, all the prices are $2, but the half off color today is green. Green is 50% off. So that's what we're looking for, and we're looking for anything sealed. So we have a couple sealed DVD sets right here, not too bad. We're gonna have to do some searching, see what we find. Alright guys, so we pulled from all this, and I actually did really good. Look at this stack right here. We'll go over all of this in a little bit. I'm gonna go check out more of the store. Just for a quick sneak peek, I'll pop up a few prices here, some of the more interesting ones. This brand new CD right here, Selena Gomez, only $1. You guys can see it's selling for, I believe, $16, not bad. Another brand new CD for $1, Beyonce. You can see how much it's selling for up here on the screen. And if we just flip through some of these, let's see which ones were interesting to me. I've never seen this DVD before, Clock Watchers. It's used, but still worth some pretty good money. We also have a brand new sealed horror movie collection, and all the DVDs are $2, so pretty good deal there. And you can see we have a mix of new and used. This is another really good one right here, remembering 9/11. This is $3 because it's a bigger set, but you can see it's selling for about 40 to 50. Not bad. And then we have some Blu-rays and some more CDs and just lots of good stuff here. Lots of sealed stuff, lots of weird things. Snake Island, what the heck? I don't know, but I will definitely take it. Oh, this was another really good one. Total Drama Island, complete season. Look at that. Look at that. That is just awesome. And this one was $3 as well because it's a TV series, but pretty sweet. We'll definitely grab those. I can't find this one online for some reason anywhere, so I might just grab it because it's brand new sealed and it's only $2. I can't find it. So, and these ones didn't come up either, but for $2 each, I might just snag them. All right, so of course there's still lots more to look at. Ooh, look at these shoes. These look kind of nice. What brand are they? Bostonian. That's nothing. I know that. I'm not really a shoe seller, but I will take a quick look. What do we have here? Made in USA. Nah, I don't know. I don't know. They look old school. What are these? These are wild looking. I have no idea what this is. These are Robert Graham's. Huh. I see that knowledge, wisdom, truth in there. Robert Graham. I didn't know they made shoes. Oh, they're actually in pretty good condition. What do they want for them? $15? That's not terrible. These might be worth it. Let's throw them in the cart. And I've never seen Robert Graham shoes before, so pretty cool. They might be discolored in the back. Or that, no, because they're both the exact same that way. So it's like an ombre finish on the back. It's like yellow, and then it fades to white, I think. I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. I'll have to do some more research on those. What are these? Rykas, R-Y-K-A. $8. I don't know. They're in a little rough shape. Some Vans. Again, pretty rough shape for $8. Not bad. I think that's about it on the shoe front. What are these? Skechers? Yeah. Nothing. Okay, let's keep looking. Alright, taking a quick look at the VHS here. I love when I find Barney. Some Barney stuff can go really good over on Amazon. So what I will do is pull out my phone and I will open up the Amazon seller app for you so you can see what I do. So I have the app open. I'm gonna scan it with the little scanner button. We'll flip it around to the barcode right there. Let's see what we end up finding here. There it is. Lots of reviews. Used selling for $12.69. Not bad. You'll make $4.91. That's honestly not too bad. I'm only paying $1, so it's an easy $4 profit. I'll snag it. Why not? Stick it in the cart. What else do we have up here? Here's Superman 4, The Quest for Peace. That's actually kind of cool. Super old school. It's in a rental case, but it does have artwork. That might be something, I don't know. What else do we have in here? Oh, Sesame Street. Sesame Streets can be pretty good also. Monster Hits. All VHS are always $1. Oh, covers the barcode just a little bit with the old Savers. Look at this. It went to a Savers for 99 cents, and it went to a different Goodwill that uses these stickers for $1. Now it's at this Goodwill that uses these stickers for $1. So it's been around the block. Oh, it's a little messed up. Maybe that's why it's been around the block. Maybe the tape doesn't work. So we'll just leave that here. I did not know Stop and Shop at one point made their own video cassettes, or they branded them anyways. That's weird. Sometimes I like seeing these to see what's recorded on them. It's usually just regular TV shows, but you never know. Let's see if we can get this open. It's not even, it's part 1 of the stand. So we'll put that back. All right, we have some board games up here. And I see a Guess Who that I've never seen before, and a Scrabble. We have a Disney Edition Scrabble and a Disney Edition Guess Who. Both of these might be good. We'll set them here for now. Anything else up here? What is that? I've never seen this board game. Oh, it's heavy. Really heavy. What do we got? My Little Scythe. What the heck? That's interesting. That is super heavy. How much is this? 15. Why are they asking $15? This better be a valuable game. We'll take a look into that. What else do we have up here? Duck Hunter game? Probably not. Light Up. Okay, so I think that's about covers the games. I'm gonna look each one of these up. So this board game here, I realized, oh, stickers on this side, is green, so it's half off, so it's only $7.50. But opening it up, it's missing a few pieces right off the bat. So we know it's not complete. There's a lot of pieces to count. So I'm not even gonna mess with that. Those pieces might be in there, but because it's so heavy, even after fees online, look at that, they take $15 out, and that's brand new. So you gotta knock the price off $5 to $10 more. There's just not a lot in it, and then to ship something this heavy, that's crazy. If it was a buck or two, maybe I'd mess with it, but I don't think all the pieces are in there. Let's try looking up these real quick. These prices are better also. Look at that, $3, and that Scrabble is $3 as well. So let's try scanning it in. Sometimes with these older games, they don't have a listing on Amazon, so we'll see if we get lucky or not. Scan it in. No listing. Okay, had a feeling. We'll try Scrabble real quick, and then we're gonna have to check eBay. So let's hit this one up real fast, see what happens. And oh, there is a listing here. Not too bad, $20. I'm only paying $3, but the rank's a little high. Honestly, it's not terrible, and it looks like, yeah, it does sell for about that $20 range. That's not terrible. Usually Scrabble, I think all Scrabble games, it's only 100 tiles, and that's about it. So it might be worth it to quickly go through it. We'll see. We'll see if I end up doing that. But I want to look into this Guess Who a little more. So there we have it. The cheapest complete copy is $29.99, and then it goes up from there. So I'm sorting from low to high. On the cheaper end, all these are missing pieces. So yeah, looks to be about $30 plus 8 shipping, so $38. Yeah, we'll snag that for $3. Why not? All right, here we go down the electronics. I've sold a few of these learning globes before in the past. This one's only $5. I've never sold this exact one, but it could possibly be worth it. Let's see if it powers on. Sometimes you gotta just hit these buttons with the pen maybe. Okay, nothing there. There's gotta be a power button somewhere. Maybe on the bottom? No. Not quite sure, we'll leave that. Alright, so right next to the globe is this printer, an Epson. It's a Workforce 7510, and I've seen these before. They're like the wide paper printers, and they want $20 for it. Now, I have no idea if it works. It might. It's pretty clean, honestly. There's no paper in there. I don't know if it has a power cord built in. It doesn't. Oh, but it uses a universal power cord, so that's not too bad. I am going to be able to test it. They have a 2-day return policy on electronics here, but take a look at this. Here's the Amazon listing. Used $881, new $1,125. So I want to double check, make sure this price is legit, and we're going to check eBay and see if this is a home run. So as you can see, eBay tells a very different story. Looks like a broken one for parts only sold for $58 plus $95 shipping, and a good working one sold for $200 plus $59 shipping about 3 weeks ago. So I don't think it's an $800 printer. I think that price is definitely inflated on Amazon. Still though, it wouldn't be bad. Maybe you could sell it on Amazon for about $200 to $300 if it works. Now, I don't know if it works. It's missing the cords. I might honestly leave it behind, especially since eBay does paint that much different picture. I really don't think it's gonna sell on Amazon anywhere near 800, so that's why it's always good to do your due diligence. There are multiple other printers here that we can look into though. There's a Canon right here and an Epson right here. So I'm gonna look into both of these and see if maybe one of these is good. So again, we have a slight dilemma here. This Canon is priced at $20 as well. And taking a look on Amazon, the brand new price is $951 used. It shows $609, but people are also selling it for as low as $171. Click through to see, and you can tell once it loads up, prices are all over the place. You have two people at $171, then $500, then $544, then $609. I mean, still, for $171, this would definitely be worth it. I think this one's missing all of its cords as well. It is. So I really don't have high hopes for any of these printers. Now, I was just at the, yep, oh, that one does have cords, so that's cool. But I was just at this Goodwill not too long ago, and none of these printers were here. And you could see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and they're all different, which makes me think that somebody, maybe another reseller, had these, and these were all broken, so they just donated them to Goodwill. They're missing their cords, they're missing all the attachments, so I think I'm just gonna leave them due to that. All right, looking down the toy aisle here, look at these just sitting here. We have some TI-84 calculators. They're $8 each. They don't look to be in the best shape, but at $8, it's an 84 plus and an 84 plus silver. I think even if they're broken, it's still worth about 20. Neither one of them turn on, but I think I'll take the gamble, because if they work, it's easy money. Throw them in the cart. Now, I also found two other board games while I was walking down here. We got Quelf and Furt. I'll pop both prices up here on the screen for you guys. Both are $3 here. I gotta count pieces though. Do I want to sit here and do that? I might. Pretty decent money in both these. I'm just gonna keep them in the cart for now and keep looking around while I'm finding all of this awesome stuff. I've been wanting a beanbag chair. Take a look at this. We have a hamster beanbag chair. I thought it was Hamtaro at first, and I got a little excited. Oh my gosh, he has little movable hands. Oh, he's really dirty. Look how dirty he is. I know it's not really coming up on camera, but dang, he's a dirty boy. It's only $5. He's staying behind though. He kind of looks like Hamtaro. I guess not really. I don't know. He's cool though. This tin sign is pretty cool. Silver Warrior. I don't know what this is. 1972. Kind of like this. If it's cheap, it's $5. That's cool. I might hang this up down in my bar. It almost looks like a beer poster. I know it's not. I don't know what this is. Is it a book cover? This is weird. I'm gonna look this up real quick. I found one listed on eBay for $11 plus shipping. This one's $5. It is pretty dented up in the corner, pretty bent. I guess it could kind of bend back. No, it's all like, oh darn. I mean, it's not in terrible condition. If it was maybe on half off day, I'll buy it for $2.50. I can't justify $5 on that. I hate spending money on myself. All of this is to sell because I gotta make that money. So I just put back the Robert Graham shoes. Now you could really see the staining. That's actually all staining on there. Pretty bad all around it. They do, maybe, they look like they could sell for about $40 to $50. But at $15 with all that staining, they're just gonna stay on the shelf. All right, I saw this interesting looking mug out of the corner of my eye, and it's a Trump Taj Mahal Casino. I haven't seen this exact one anywhere on eBay. It's only $1 because it's half off. I'll pop up prices of ones that sold. They're all white mugs, but this black one's really cool with the gold accents to it, so I think I'll snag it for $1 and see what happens. Also, this decanter and glass set's really cool. It's for a 50th anniversary, and it has these roses in here. This is, oh, dang, that's all broken, chipped glass in there. Thought it looked really cool though. It's kind of a cool t-shirt. It's the Hartford Wolfpack, which is our hockey team. We actually have 2 hockey teams, semi-pro. And look at that. It's from this, well, last year technically, for I guess the 25th anniversary. And then on the back, drive sober, get pulled over. It's got a big stain. Oh no, that's just a little fuzzy on there. It's only $4. It's kind of cool. I'm going to a Bridgeport Islanders game. So the opposite of these guys in, what, 2 weeks? So I don't need this one, but I do need an Islanders one if I see one. And I don't think I'm gonna see one in here. Uh-oh, I'm starting to mess everything up. Alright, so I went through everything. I had to put back a few DVDs that were either missing discs or in too rough of condition. Had to put back a couple board games, or I think just one because it was missing pieces, but these 2 were good. I got the CDs, got the mug, got the calculators. Had to put back those shoes, sadly. Still an amazing haul here. I mean, there is some valuable stuff in just the DVDs, the calculators. These games alone, about 30 bucks right there. So yeah, I mean, this is a couple hundred, if not a few $100s worth of stuff. Been in here for about 25-30 minutes, so I think it's gonna be about time to head out. It's a shame with those printers. I'm still kind of on the fence of just taking the gamble and throwing it on Amazon for $200, $250, but I don't know. Thing's massive, and if I can't find the correct cords for it in 2 days, I'm stuck with it, and it's $20, so I'm gonna leave it. I have other printers I still need to get listed anyways. So yeah, I think that about does it here. Not too bad. You know, oh, is this Jurassic Park? It looks like Jurassic Park. This thing's massive. Oh, it's heavy. It is. It's Jurassic World on there. Look at that. You can see the Jurassic World tag. This is heavy duty, like, and really like good quality made. Ooh, do I want to mess with that? I don't know. Probably not. What is this? I never looked. A giant shark mask. That's cool for $5. It's got a little stain on it, but it's a Maskimal. Okay, cool, cool. I remember this guy. I had this guy when I was a kid. I never had that bear though. So yeah, I think that does it. You know, now I have to look up that dinosaur in case he's worth a lot. I don't think anything else here is gonna be worth too much. If you guys see anything, definitely let me know. Hey, Buc-ee's, the gas station. I know that place. This guy's kind of cool. I might look him up. I think he's only $1. Yeah, $1. Most plush is only $1 here, except for this one. This one's $5 for some reason. A Muppet Baby. Why is he $5? He's brand new, but I guess I'll scan him in. Why not? All right, so I stayed and dug around a little bit in the plush, and I found a Jellycat. And this octopus right here is pretty big. It's only $2. There you go. It's only $2. And take a look at the most recent solds of them. 15 plus shipping, 20 plus shipping, and the cheapest one listed is 21. So not bad. Brand new for 25 plus shipping, 30, 36. Yeah, I think I'll grab them for $2. Why not? All right, now I'll definitely call it quits. I have to remember to grab all those $1 video games so I could have the cases, and away we go. All right, just grab the little stack of $1 games right here, just for the cases. The games, maybe I'll just do disc only and throw them up on eBay for a few bucks. We'll see what happens.